When I was growing up, I lived here for some months without my mom. My mom had left for a career, but at the time didn't have the money to take me because she was staying with a friend. So she stacked her loot, and when I finally joined my mother, she was like, we're gonna travel. And we're gonna travel a lot. And I was like, okay, that sounds, fun, but I'm a kid. And she was like, but we're not gonna get on an airplane or actually get in a car and travel. And I was perplexed. And then she was like, we're gonna travel through food. And I'm excited because, well, all my stories are about food. I'm an artist, I'm an educator, I'm an activist. I am a farmer. I'm the mother of earth. I'm the mother of all things children. I am everything that love is. I'm community. I'm intentional. I'm a best friend. I'm a sister. I'm a daughter. At all times, I'm the teacher and the student. I'm a storyteller. I am Ibraheem. I am living on purpose.